In this video, you will learn how to reserve a day pass online. Alright, how you guys doing today? In this video, you will learn how to reserve a day pass online. The Texas park systems are not accepting cash right now due to what's going on, but the parks is still open. So they are accepting a prepaid option, and you can do that by going to the taskbar up top and enter texasstateparks.reserveamerica.com, and I'm gonna put that in the link below, and I'm just gonna show you how to reserve a park. Okay, so me and my family, we like to do day passes. I already do this already, but now they're not accepting any cash payments, at the park. So here we go, show you how to do it. All right, so you pick the park. This is the next park I plan to go to, so Dinosaur Valley State Park, day pass. I'm gonna do today's date, and I'm just gonna put 1 day. If you stay in the morning 1 day, you can do that. So hit search. All right, so I'm picking day passes. As you can see, you can do camping, day passes, tours, group picnics, and special permits. Okay, so we're just gonna pick day pass, and I'm doing today, and I'm only gonna do 1 day. So I'm gonna book now, and at the bottom right here, it will tell you some parks it's all day. You don't need a time. For this park, it's a popular park, so from 8 to 3 or 3 to 10. So I'm gonna book now, and it's gonna ask me how many vehicles. So say 1. Oop, not 3, 1. Search. And I'm gonna use the 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So right here. So if it's blue, that means it's available. Once it's yellow, that means that's the day that you clicked. And if it's an X on it, that means it's not available. So it's available. We're gonna click it. Book passes. Okay, and I already logged into my account, but I want to note on this, guys. If you have the state park pass, you need to click this right here where it says passes. If you don't click that and you fill out all this information, they're gonna charge you for whatever the day rate is. But if this is click, it will zero you out. So I definitely recommend getting a park pass if you guys visit state parks often. So we're just gonna click this right here. All right, and we're gonna use. I'm gonna say I have the truck, and I would suggest putting this in because at the park sometimes they do ask you for this information, but we're just gonna leave it blank for now, and we'll put red. Let's say let's say 4 adults. Understood. Continue. All right, so I asked me to fill out the details, but I'm not worried about this right now. I just wanted to show you guys how to reserve the state park day passes. And as you can see, I'm zeroed out right here because you click that button on top. And if you're going to submit it, when you're done, you check out. But that's all there is to it. It's very simple. If you guys got any questions, put them in the comment section below. If this was useful, helpful to you guys, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching.